In March of 2025, IMG sponsored its 6th corporate service trip to Guatemala, where a group of its employees helped build a school and repair a playground in partnership with School the World.
The highlights of this trip were many, from experiencing the reaction and welcome not just from the children but the wider community was incredible.
One of the biggest highlights of this trip for me was creating the new rules for the classrooms. Because for me, it wasn't just about painting a space. It was more about creating something that will last for the kids, that would make the school and the classrooms more fun and welcoming.
I think the highlight of the trip for me was just seeing all the kids, and when they all lined up outside of our bus when we got there and they greeted us, it was a really surreal type of moment, and it was really cool to see.
I think the standout experience for me was at the end of the whole thing, getting to stand up there with the mayor of Quiche and cut the ribbon on one of the classrooms that we had finished. I think that'll stand as one of the proudest moments of my life.
The visit to the family was one of the most humbling experiences, as it really makes you focus on how privileged we are.
It kind of makes you think about what you have and appreciate what you have, because not everybody, has the luxuries that we do.
We had dozens and dozens of soccer balls and footballs and basketballs, and the kids were so excited for all of it.
It just reminded me that joy and kindness are universal. You don't need to speak the same language to share kindness, to share joy, and to play together.
This experience gave me invaluable insight into what it means to truly be there, by fostering a deeper understanding of the diverse challenges faced by communities in need.
This trip made me realize how important it is to give back, but also to appreciate the things that we have.
So this trip for me was seeing the world on a different view and being able to help others.
With the trip being open to all employees, it also allowed me to connect with some of my global colleagues who, due to our sort of work roles, it's unlikely that our paths would have ever have crossed if it wasn't for this trip.
And it was really incredible to get to meet some of these people from our very distributed workforce who might not otherwise have a chance to sit down and get to know one another.
You don't always get to connect with all the different departments and people working in those, but all of us work together, right? We're all at IMG for a reason. We're trying to accomplish the same goals.
Lastly, I would like to thank IMG for providing this opportunity for employees to have.
It's really special that you guys do this and you offer it to employees because, it changes lives.
I would never forget this trip, and I am so grateful to be part of a company that values giving back and making a difference.
Without exaggeration, this trip was absolutely life-changing for me, and I'm deeply grateful for IMG giving me the opportunity to be a part of all of it.